Many of us are still quarantined and finding it super difficult to pass our time, so I'm going to be sharing some fun DIYs that you can do at home when you're bored. Hi guys, my name is Eman and I'm the Messy Lassie. So this is part 2 of my series on things that you can DIY when you're quarantined at home. So since we cannot go out, we have been revisiting past adventures and trips and thinking simply about the time that we could hang out with friends and family. So I have been looking at past photos and I'm sure that you have been too. So in this video, I'm showing you how to make some really easy photo stands that you can use to display some of your best memories. So I have taken inspiration from social media elements. I'm going to be making a heart reaction, a hashtag, and a like button. So for this project, I'm using some homemade air dry clay, and for the recipe, you can check out my previous video. I'm going to link it down below. I'll take a piece of clay in my hand and start to soften it. I'll roll it into a ball and then press it between my palms. Then I'll roll it in all directions using a roller or any cylindrical shaped item. Once it's 0.5 inches thick, I'm going to use a cutout to cut a heart shape. Then I'm going to use water to mend any cracks that I see on the clay. Then I'm going to make it stand on either of its sides. Now I'll make a cut on the top so a photo can be inserted here later. I'll let it dry. I'll make the hashtag in the same manner. It has to be 0.5 inches thick. Then I'm going to make it stand. Instead of making a cut, I'm going to use a paper clip. I'm going to unfold it and then make 2 loops. You can obviously use a wire for this, but since I don't have one and I don't want to go out, so I'm using this really easy and simple hack. Next, I'll insert it into the hashtag and let it dry. Then I will make a like button. In the cutout, the thumb is up and the fingers are open. It should be 0.5 inches thick. Once cut, I'm going to cut the fingers. I'll use water to fold the fingers inward. Then I'll make it stand. I'm using water to mend any cracks that I see. I'll use a paper clip to make a photo holder and insert it into the like button. I will let it dry. Once these are nice and done, I'm going to pin them. of my best memories in my room using these photo stands. The next project is for all those who love adding some fun and fancy things to their homes. I'm going to make a coaster using confetti. To make the coaster, I'm using a transparent plastic file. To make two coasters, I'm going to cut 4 squares which are 4 by 4 inches in size. I'm going to put 2 squares together and sew 3 sides together. To add some aesthetics to this, I'm going to use a pink thread to sew this together. Then I'll insert confetti into it and sew the last side together as well. And that's all. I really like how it has like a happy feel to it and it kind of stands out. Alright guys, so this is all for today. If you like the video, don't forget to like it, and if you want to be notified every single time I upload a new video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. You can also follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description box below. So until next time, stay safe, have fun and be messy. Bye!